quick. So this is my breakfast that I'm having. This is oatmeal with some like hazelnut spread. This here is one dragon fruit, comparable to the size of your fist. I'll include some pictures so you can see it. And a cup of coffee. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I prepare my dragon fruits to eat. Because I don't eat the skin. I'm not an animal. So the first thing you want to do is just grab your dragon fruit. See, this is like, I guess this is what would be the bottom of it maybe, right? And this is the top where it gets cut off of like a, this is the top where it gets cut off like a vine. You can see it's like, there's a clean cut over there. So I'll set this down like this. So this is kind of flat over here. Put this side down, boom, right? So it's flat, I'll do that. Because I actually like to cut it this way. And fruit kind of has like a cup shape to it if you split it into two this way, not this way. So let me just show you what I mean. So I'm going to flip it so that this flat side is on either the left or my right. So I'm going to go ahead and put it like this. See, this is here, boom. Take my knife, just cut it. So the skin on a dragon fruit is soft. It's soft. It's almost like you're cutting through something real soft, you see, and this is the color of the fruit juice. It's in there. It's purple, like purple. It's really sweet too, right? Throw that into the sink, and then you're gonna have your two halves. Boom! You're gonna have the two halves of your dragon fruit right there, right there. See? One thing you'll notice is that there's all these little black seeds. You can definitely eat all of those. I'm making a mess here. You can definitely eat all the seeds that are inside your dragon fruit, no problem. It's safe to eat. The next thing you're probably wondering is how do you prepare the fruit to eat it? So you just hold it like this, and you just grab your spoon. Boom, and then you just go ahead and grab your spoon, and you just scoop it out. So you have this bottom portion here, like this, and just scoop it out, just like that. See? Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. And the taste of the dragon fruit is like, for the ones that I've been eating, they're not like overly sweet. They're just right. You know, they have just the right amount of like sweetness to them. So like the consistency of the fruit is just like it's like a hybrid of watermelon and a cantaloupe. And it's like somewhere in the middle. So it's like firm, and then it just kind of like melts in your mouth, if that makes any sense, you know? Boom, just like this. And that's it. See? Scoop's real easy. Me and my fancy food prep here. Right? You just kind of go in and scoop it right out. Super soft. Super soft. And you got all these little pieces, you know. Again, you know, going back to how I like to cut the dragon fruit. This is one of the reasons why I like this fruit so much, because it's easy to handle, you know, easy to prepare, easy to cut, very easy to enjoy, you know, because the fruit itself is soft. And it's the kind of fruit that has like all kinds of like vitamins and antioxidants and stuff. So now let's say you get to the end here and you're just left with the skin. You can just scoop out, you know, just kind of scrape all the innards into your bowl or into your mouth and eat it right away. Boom. That's it. See? Nice and clean. And this is what you'll be left with, more or less. You know, you got this bowl of fruit and your oatmeal. You can go ahead and fold it, mix it together, and enjoy. One other dragon fruit here. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, and I'm going to enjoy it. So that's going to be the video for today. Thanks for watching. Go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.